Today we will prepare a cabinet door that will add elegance to your design, starting with just a single panel. Are you ready? Let's start making the door with MP-1041. Our first step is to cut our furniture profile to the correct dimensions. We cut the profiles to the appropriate dimensions and angles with a 45-degree miter saw. Now it's time to cut the panel for the door we'll be using the profiles on. We start the cutting by trimming around the panel to make it smoother. To achieve better results in the cutting phase, we recommend using a jumping saw for all panel cuts. Once the panels are cut to the desired dimensions, we can move on to the assembly phase. Now we are at the assembly phase. While bringing each piece together, let's remember that these doors not only offer functionality but also add an aesthetic touch to our designs. The panel profile, fast adhesive and glue come together. First we apply the glue to the joining corners to prepare for gluing. Then we reinforce with fast adhesive. After applying the coolant spray to the other corner of the profile, we proceed to the joining phase. While joining the corners, we make sure they are perfectly aligned. After removing the protective film from the panel, we apply glue to all the inner edges of our frame-shaped profile. Now we can place the panel inside the frame. Here is the door prepared with MP-1041. You can optionally support the corners with paper tape and leave them to dry. Remember, functionality and aesthetics can go hand in hand. As you can see, combining our imagination with a furniture panel and profile, it is possible to create a wonderful cabinet door. The door is no longer just a piece, but a work of art reflecting the spirit of designs.